Hello guys, let's mukbang this spicy. What is her name? Potato chip cut. She's the spicy barbecue flavor made from 100% real potatoes. Real potatoes. Kaya dito lang naman ang potatoes. Dito lang guys, kaya kakakon. Okay, wakuan na lang kami. Malingkod na lang kami ng cakes. Let's try it. When you have this spicy barbecue, ayaw ano pag-react or mag-inumin tubig. No drinking water, okay? No drinking water. I mean, by the panganditin baba. If there's something on your mouth, if there's... There mo na tumaharang. Wala mo na to. Biti. There mo harang. Dati ay natakiin. Beda pating baba. Uy, tulunan na iton. Makita. Okay, pwede ka na. She's trying to drink water. That's against the rule. That's so spicy. That's so spicy, guys. It's so yummy. That is so spicy. Oh my god. No. Why not? I can drink water now. Let's get some more because I want to spicy it. Good guys. Bye bye guys. Wait, there's more. Bye bye guys. No. Okay. Dali na, bye bye na. Wait.